Hey everyone, so today I'll show you how to use heat transfer vinyl with a Cricut machine. Now, if you've been wanting to make custom t-shirts, tote bags, or really anything fabric related, this is the tutorial you need. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. And by the end of this video, you're gonna be creating your own designs like a pro. Before we start, let me quickly run through what you'll need for this project. First, you'll need a Cricut machine. A heat transfer vinyl, which we usually call HTV. You can grab this literally in any color you want. A beading tool. And the most important tool is your heat press. Next, you'll need a t-shirt, a hoodie, a tote bag, or whatever you need to press your vinyl design onto. Last but not the least, you'll need a cutting mat. Alright, once you've got all the things ready, we can move on to the fun part. The first step is to prepare your design on Cricut Design Space. Once that's done, you just have to make sure it's the right size for your project. Then, hit the Make button at the top right corner. On the next screen, you'll see little toggle that says Mirror. Just click on it to enable it. Now, grab your heat transfer vinyl onto the cutting mat. So, the colored side is facing up and the shiny carrier sheet is touching the mat. Now, load the mat onto your Cricut machine. Once that's done, head back to Design Space and select your material. After that, just hit to the Go button and let your Cricut do its thing. It's going to cut out your design precisely. Once the cutting is done, take the mat out of the machine. Now, here's a quick tip. Don't try to rip the vinyl off the mat super fast. Just gently peel it off from one corner. You don't want to mess up your design. Okay, so now grab your weeding tool and start peeling away all the vinyl around the design. Once you've weeded out everything, press the heat press onto your tote bag and preheat the surface. So, if you're using the heat press, just set it to the right temperature recommended for your specific vinyl. Usually that's around 305 to 315 degrees Fahrenheit. But check your vinyl instruction just to be sure. Now, it's time to actually place your design where you want it. Place your heat press over your design and press firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds. The exact depends on the time of vinyl you're using. So again, just check the instructions. Just let it sit for a minute or two until it cools down and then peel it in the same way. Now, here's what your final tote bag looks like. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.